Hello friends, welcome to our channel and let's start the post analysis of the Nifty and बैंक निफ्टी। निफ्टी का भी पोस्ट एनालिसिस करते हैं और निफ्टी बैंक का भी करते हैं। और तो जैसे कि मैंने बताया था लास्ट टाइम, क्या बोला था कि यदि आपने लास्ट वीडियो देखा होगा, लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने क्या बताया था कि ये एक फ्लैट पैटर्न बनाएगा और ये इट कैन बी रनिंग फ्लैट और इट कैन बी इरेगुलर फ्लैट। इन केस ऑफ रनिंग फ्लैट यहाँ से क्या होगा, यहाँ से निफ्टी जंप मारेगी और भाग जाएगी। ओके, हम लोग का टारगेट क्या है? फर्स्ट टारगेट इट विल बी 16,300, नेक्स्ट टारगेट विल बी 16,800। सो ये देखो, ये वो अपना फ्लैट पैटर्न। ओके, ये फ्लैट पैटर्न हो गया। यहाँ से निफ्टी किसका, ओके, यहाँ से निफ्टी ड्रॉप हुआ। ड्रॉप होने के बाद यहाँ से आप देखोगे तो यहाँ से सपोर्ट लिया, यहाँ से सपोर्ट लेके फिर आज पॉजिटिव है। ओके, सो व्हाट हैपन, सो what happened? So Nifty is now positive. And what was the support I have given you? What was the support? From where it will get support? I have told you that the support will come 0.5% to 0.618% of this one, of this leg. Okay, of this leg. So it came actually. If you have not seen, then you can check it over here, or let's check it over here. And whenever the support will come from there, you should be very cautious that Nifty can take support and we should be exit of our short position. See 0.5% to 0.618% I have given the support. If you have not seen that video, please go ahead and see that. So check it, how accurately you can measure the thing and you can take the trade accordingly. Okay, it is not it is not like that something rubbish I used to give the supports or something like that. So here you can see, right? So here you can see. So how the support came around over here, and this is the support area where Nifty would take the support. Usually it is a 0.5 to 0.618% of this leg. So now what will happen is that now the minimum target for this, if it is getting support and if it is breaking this, actually it should break this one, actually 15,862 high, it should break it. And whenever it will break it, so one way to follow, if you are a conservative trader, then what you have to do, you can take see, this is 1:1. So what is the target of this? What now, this target will come from here to here. What is the length? From there it will come to up to that much. Okay, so 16,100 up to this much it will come, and next target will be 1.618%. that is what 16,300 I used to tell, right? 16,300 what I used to tell you. So this is the reason that why I used to give you that this much of time, this is the target actually. So we can measure the target, how much it will come and how much support it can take, and all those things we can measure it. And today also, of course, you have seen that it is a 13 days moving average. It has closed 13 days moving average high. So tomorrow it will be a bullish day only. As soon as you know, if it is closing below above this 13 days moving average high, you should take the positional trade. You should go ahead with the position by keeping the stop loss of this one low. And if this is breaking, then only you could short. Otherwise you should not short, because if the gap down open also, if it is below 13 days average low also, you should not square off your position until unless this low got broken. Because once this low will get broken, this breaks, so what would happen is that it will go, this resistance will be 13 days moving average low, where it will take this resistance and it will come again down. So that is how you should play. So now what happened, 13 days moving average up above it is closed. So now what is the what now Nifty is in bullish hand. Okay, if it is in bullish hand, now what is the target? First target 16,200, minimum target, then 16,100, then 16,300. If you are a conservative trader, so what you have to do, if you are a conservative trader, then what you can do, you have to see that whether it is getting break, whether it is getting this is the this is the high it has been made. If it is closing above this high, then this is the ATS. If it is closing above this ATS, then you can take the trade, and by keeping the stop loss over here. But this will be very high stop loss. It should be comes to your risk appetite, whether you want to take it or not take it, right? So this is what my take, so that Nifty is going to get the resistance from here again, and it will of course it will come down, but it will again take the support of 13 days moving average high, and it will bounce back, right? And it will again bounce back. So this is what it can happen. Okay, like this. So like this it can happen again. So this is what it is going to, and this is what it is going to do, right? So this is about the Nifty, and tomorrow you can see the levels and you can trade it. So this is again, this will be the bit stop loss over here. If you are taking tomorrow trade, this will be the stop loss. This low will be the stop loss now, not this one. Okay, the low, it should not close below this low. If it is closing below this low, then we can come down and we can touch this 15,450. Until unless it is below 15,450, no need to be worried, right? So this is done. Okay, so let's do the Nifty Bank analysis. So Nifty Bank, if you see, now consider this the channel line over here. So we have what happened above this channel line. If you see, we have joined this line. Okay, we have joined this line. Now above this channel line, if you see, it has taken some resistance and came over here, and what you see over here, it is the how much percentage it has came, 50%. Okay, same as the Nifty. So how much it has came, 50%. So now what you have to do, now this will be the stop loss. As soon as it is going above this 35,028, above this channel line, the immediate target would be your 35,879. So it will be the immediate target. The Nifty Bank is also moving towards the 35,879. Okay, so this is what I am about to tell. And a long-term target, for the Bank Nifty is 38,000, but let's see that whether this is going to cross or not, because this is the one of the major resistance zone, what I feel. So here it is the major resistance zone over here. So let's see that whether it is going over here 34,725 or not. If it is going above this, if it is breaking above this, then it is obviously it will be 38,000. We will see the target, right? So both in case of Nifty and Bank Nifty, I am telling you from the beginning only, I am little bit bullish, because it has not broken in the Nifty. In case of why it is I am bullish, because it has not broken this zone, actually 15,000 zone. So if it would have come down and it would have broken, then only I will be bearish. Otherwise I'm still, the trend is bullish. Okay, above 15,000 it is, then trend is bullish. Below it will come, then the trend will be bearish. So as of now, for the short term trader, the target what I have given is like this only. And as you know, about 13 days moving average high, we are bullish. So tomorrow also Nifty will be bullish. So okay guys, I will come for tomorrow Friday video. For I will come and give my view on for Monday to Thursday. So bye as of now, and please subscribe my channel and like my video and share to other guys also, so that they will be also get benefited. Thanks.